So finally, I'm going to do the unboxing of the 2018 Starbucks Planner. So, okay, here it is. So starting November 2, you can get the Starbucks Christmas Traditions promo card. Of course, with no purchase required. So, same as last year, it's 18 stickers. So, you need to collect 18 stickers to get this planner. So, we'll start the unboxing. So, this year, mukhang very special ang Starbucks Planner this year because marami siyang kasama. Of course, and as we all know, for those who collect Starbucks Planner, this is their 15th year. So basically, dapat special talaga. Okay, so aside this. So it comes with the sleeve and this planner, a coffee cup calendar, and a stencil to decorate your planner. So for those who decorate their planner like me, this one is very helpful. Anyways, so this is the coffee cup calendar. So let's unveil the planner. So basing on its thickness, I'm sure weekly layout na naman to. So, oh my god, paano ko ba siya tatanggalin? Anyway, ayan, natanggal ko na siya. So, ang ganda ng color niya this year. No, magaan din siya. Okay, so the 2018 yearly planner. So, of course, there's the basic personal information. And voila! This year's Starbucks Planner comes with a special edition Cafe Venta card. This exclusive card is inspired by the Starbucks Cafe Venta whole bean artwork. So, included na siya sa 2018 Starbucks Planner. And the activation is 300. So, yes, I'm sure excited yung mga Starbucks Planner collector kasi may kasama siyang card. So, okay. So, this is the calendar for 2018 and 2019, of course. And then, so, babatiin tayo ng Happy New Year in different languages. And then, the monthly layout. So, last year, yung things to do niya nandito. So, this year, nasa left side siya. And then, ayan. So, weekly layout na siya. So, last year, itong weekly layout nandito. And yung notes nandito. So, this year, nasa left side yung notes. So, paano ko i-adjust? Sanay na ako sa right side na notes. So, actually, itong Starbucks Planner, ginagamit ko siya for work. So, I think meron akong enough space, again, to do notes. Okay, so, actually, gusto ko siya. Okay, so, ganyan yung layout niya. And then, syempre, mukhang may mga activity din siya per month. So, like, for example, itong February, yun, have to, oh my god, have to take a photo and put it in here. So, okay, tingnan ko yung aking birth month. So, maganda yung kulay niya. Ayan. So, I think sobrang simple nitong Starbucks Planner design this year, And of course, syempre, mawawala ba naman yung syempre yung coupons. Okay. So, ganun pa rin siya as is. Okay. So, ayan. So, ito yung isang planner. Design ng planner. So, it comes with a leather sleeve. So, I'm informed that this leather sleeve is a recycled one. So, you know, syempre, uso na naman ngayon, and I think all of the companies are complying in their sustainability. So, ayan. May leather sleeve siya. So, ito, I'm sure tingnan natin kung until the end of the year, ganito pa din yung texture niya. So, pwede mo naman siyang as is na ganyan. And, syempre, yung sobrang careful ka sa planner mo, you can enclose it. Yan, just like this. Oh my God, paano ko siya ilalagay? Yan. Yan. So, ganyan siya. So, brown color. Medyo, ano lang ako, dun sa colors. Masyado, too corporate-y. Kasi, diba, like, kung nakita nyo na yung Starbucks Planner ng Korea and Singapore, sobrang colorful, and Korea, sobrang tempting. Gusto kong bumili. But, practicality-wise, ito na yung gagamitin ko pa rin yung gagamitin ko for work, yung Starbucks Planner. So, ito yung coffee cup na calendar which can put sa desk mo. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ay. Ayan. Mini calendar. Pwede mong ilagay sa work desk mo or sa home office mo. So, ganyan siya. Mark. Okay. Ganyan siya. And then, yung stencil, nakakatawa. O, diba? Kung hindi ko na mag-drawing. So, meron din siyang ruler. So, you can, put lines and all. So, yun. So, yung isang design is this one. Darker siya. Darker brown. And yung isa is ito. So, yung green. So, mas gusto ko yung ito. Yung design nito. Syempre, may card din yan kasama. So, tingnan natin at the end of the year kung yung leather niya is okay pa din. No? So, ito yung parehong design ng planner. So, ayun guys. Sobrang happy ako dun sa Starbucks Planner this year. And sana hopefully next year, makukulay na din katulad ng Starbucks Korea and Singapore. So anyway, good luck sa pag-collect ng stickers. And sana makuha nyo agad itong planner. So, yun. Thank you guys.